Welcome to this video project. In this video, we will try to develop an image segmentation using PyTorch, and of course using Python language programming on the Google Collaboration Research Editor. Now, in section 2, we are going to write some of the configurations for this project, and then read some of the images from the dataset and also upload these images to Google Colab. So, let's start by writing the configurations. Configuration contents are only some variables and parameters that we are going to use in the project. This configuration part is likely the remote control of the project. That's because after the completion of this project, you can change the values in these configurations and you can run the whole script again. First of all, we are going to set these parts. Initialization CSV and file path location variables. You can see how it copies from the data contents of your Google Colab. Okay, next we are going to set the device. Here the device is CUD because we are going to use TPU. Next is the epoch, and let's take 25. The learning rate is 0.003. And the image size for all of the images that are right now has irregular shapes. So we are going to shape all of the images to keep heightened with us with 320. Then encoder name and the unit we are going to use. Time efficient B0 as the encoder. And weights that we're going to use are going to be ImageNet. Okay, let's run this. If you're writing this configuration part for the first time, be careful about it. All of these things are going to be used in the further task. So, if you can take this configuration right, then you can use it as the remote control of this project. After completion of the project, you can change the values like epochs or learning rate or image size. There is one more batch size, and let's take batch size with 16. Now let's run this way. So, all in this is going to be the remote control of this project. You can change your values anytime and you can run the script again. Okay, next we are going to plot some of the images. So we are first going to read the CSV files. Let's first see the first row of the data set. So we have two columns. A mask is our target or ground truth, an image column in which we have the parts of the original images of the training images, and in this we have the parts of the mask or ground truth images. Now let's use this path to read the image. So first of all, we are going to select the row. Let's see this example number 4. So df.ilo, see here we are going to pass 4. Next, we are going to extract the image path and the mask path. So the image path is a row of images and the mask path is a row of the mask. Okay, now let's fill the image variable by reading the example image path. But as OpenCV reads images in the BGR format, so we have to convert into RGB format. Okay, next is read the mask. This mask is going to be grayscale, and we divide it by 255. Okay, so far so good. Let's run this up. And here I have already done the visualization code. So we can run this cell, and you can see here the original image and the target image or the mask or ground truth. You can also change the index. So let's see what is at 0. And run again. Now we are going to split the dataset into train and valid set. That's right. Let's take the test size is 0.2 and the random state is 42. Okay, let's run this. So in this section, we have written the configurations. We have read the CSV file, and then we plotted some of the images from the dataset. In the next section, we are going to write some of the augmentations, which are going to be useful when we create the custom dataset. So see you in the next task.